Hello student, today my revision topic, revision in chapter number 2, sports and nutrition. This is a revision third. Revision 1 and 2 is completed, but today is a revision third. Micronutrient. What is a micronutrient? Minerals and vitamins are included in micronutrient. Micronutrients are required in very small amounts. These nutrients are extremely significant for normal functioning of the body. The main function of these nutrients is to enable various good chemical reactions to occur in the body. Minerals are further divided into two categories, namely macro minerals and micro minerals or trace minerals. The explanations of micronutrient is given below. Minerals. What is a minerals? The very important chapter, the very important topic today, micro and macronutrients. So number 1, minerals. What is a minerals? Minerals are essential in our diet. About 4% of our body weight is made up of the minerals. Minerals are required for healthy teeth, bone, and bones and muscles. Minerals are also used by body for various activity of heart, beat, etc. Okay. Minerals are also used by the body for various activities such as the transmissions of nervous impulse, formation or hormones, maintenance of heartbeat, etc. Minerals can be classified into macro. Major mineral and micro minerals element or trace minerals. Our body requires more amount of the macro minerals than trace minerals, micro minerals. Macro minerals or macro elements such as the calcium, phosphorus, sodium, chloride, magnesium, potassium, sulfur are required for our body in more amount. 1.1 gram of each of these minerals per day. On the other hand, trace element or micro minerals such as the copper, iron, iodine, cobalt, fluorite, chromium, selenium and zinc are required in less amount. 0.01 gram of each trace element per day. Okay. The next is in nutrients. First mineral, second vitamin. In mineral, macro minerals, micro minerals. Macro minerals is a calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus. Micro minerals, iodine, iron, chromium, copper or cobalt. This property is the calcium. Calcium is among the top macro minerals. In term of the growth and development of our bones and teeth. It makes the teeth and bones strong and healthy. It helps in the blood clotting. Its deficiency may cause rickets disease. It is found in the various products such as the cheese, milk, orange juice, egg, yogurt, green leaf, vegetable and cereals. These are calcium properties. Potassium properties is the number 2 potassium. Potassium is the macro minerals. Potassium is one of the most important minerals in diet. It is helpful in keeping the nervous systems and muscular fit and active all the time. It's help in the maintaining the amount of water in blood and tissue. Okay. Brain tissue, its main source are banana, tomato, green leaf, vegetable, peanuts, citric fruit, beans, etc. Potassium properties. Sodium. What is the sodium? Sodium in the macro minerals. Sodium, it will help in the muscular activities. It also help in the transmission of nerve impulse. Its main source are the table, salt, pickles, butter, etc. Number 4, magnesium. It repair and the maintain body cells. Whose magnesium? It is found in the meat, brown rice, beans, fish, whole grains, etc. Number 5 is the phosphorus. Phosphorus is the macro minerals. Help in the formations of bone and teeth. It keeps the muscles and nerve activities normal. It's found in the rich quality to egg, fish, cod liver, milk, unpolished rice, etc. Okay. Microminerals. Minerals have the 2 parts: macrominerals, microminerals. In the macrominerals, calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus. In the micro minerals, number 1, iodine. Some microminerals are described below. Iodine, number 1, its help in the productions of the hormones in the thyroid gland. It is also significant for proper growth and development of the body. Lack of the iodine can cause gyratory, sodium thyroid glands and the mental retardations. It is found in the iodide, salt, fish and seafood. Number 2, iron. It is very important for our body. It is essential in the productions to hemoglobin. Its deficiency cause anemia. It is found in the liver, meat, egg, dry food, spinach, banana and the green leaf vegetables. Okay. Chromium. Okay. Chromium is it stimulates insulin activities. Its deficiency may cause diabetes. It is found in the soybean, black grams, carrot, tomato, groundnuts, bajra and barley. These are in the chromium. Number 4, copper. It is help iron in the formation of hemoglobin. It is found in the egg, pulse and the green leaf vegetables. Number 5 is the cobalt. It protects us from anemia and is found in the green leaf, vegetable, milk and meat. Number 6. Number 2. First is the minerals. Number 2 is the vitamins. So these are completed minerals in the micronutrient. The second is the vitamins. So what is the vitamins? The vitamins are chemicals which are the required is a very small amount to keep our body healthy. It is a particular vitamin is not present in our diet. It may cause a deficiency disease. For example, okay. Example is that if vitamin C is not included in the diet, it is will the cause secrete in the. In fact, all of the vitamin are organic chemicals. There are the two group of the vitamin which are the mentioned below: fat soluble vitamin or water soluble vitamins. So fat soluble vitamins. What is the fat soluble vitamins? Fat soluble vitamins are the those vitamins which are the suitable in the fat. These vitamins are compound of the element of carbon, hydro and the oxygen. These vitamins are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. The brief descriptions of these vitamins is given below. Number 1, vitamin A. Vitamin A. It was the first vitamin that was discovered in the 1930s by polymer forms such as the retinals and the retinoic acid. Okay. This vitamin is formed by the element of hydrogen, carbon, oxygen. It is the help in the formations of bones, teeth. It also promote normal vision. It also provided resistance in the infections. It is the deficiency leads to night blindness, chronomelia and the exophthalmia. It is a source are cold liver oil, animal liver, egg, yogurt, milk product, mango, papaya and yellow vegetables. It is a daily requirement is the extremities is the 2 milligram. Number 2, vitamin D. What is the vitamin D? It is performed by the element of the carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. It is a white crystalline substance. It is a help in the absorption of the calcium and phosphorus. It is a maintain the normal function of the parathonus, the hormones secreted by the parthocyte glands. Okay. It is deficiency may cause the rickets, osteomalacia, tendency, dental cavity, and the osteoporosis. Sun rays, milk, butter, and fish liver oil are the main source of the vitamin D. Vitamin E. This vitamin is essential for the blood circulation. It is the strength the cell's membrane. It keeps the skin healthy. It help is the curing cancers. It maintains normal functions are the reproductive organs. It is also used to prevent heart attack and to treat Alzheimer's disease. It is a deficiency may cause uh, degenerations of the muscles, paralysis and slow growth. It is the main source are the green leaf, vegetables, pulses, cereals, liver, egg, and cod liver and whole cereals. Okay, vitamin K. The main function of the vitamin is the clot the blood. It is also help in the prevention of the hemoglobins and the excessive bleeding in the wound. 8. Deficiency may cause anemia is the main source are the tomato, potato, spinach, cabbage, soybean, fish, cauliflower, wheat, egg, yogurt, meat, chicken, and some likes vitamin K. Next is the water soluble vitamins. So this is a complete my topic in the micronutrient. But next is the water soluble vitamins in the vitamin. So what is the water soluble? These vitamins are soluble in the water. These vitamin contain the element of the nitrogen and even sulfur. These vitamin are vitamin B and vitamin C. Earlier the chemical name of the all the vitamin fat soluble vitamin and water soluble vitamins are not known, but now their chemical names are available. The temporary names are used even today for the ease of the understanding. The descriptions of these vitamins is the given below. Okay, number 1 in the water soluble vitamin B complex. Vitamin B consists of the 8 soluble vitamins that play important role in the cell membrane. Earlier they were thought to be the single vitamin, but later research showed that they were chemically distinct vitamins. Now they are referred to as vitamin B complex. A brief description of these vitamins is given below. Number 1, vitamin B1, thiamine. The vitamin is also called thiamine is a colorless vitamins. It is the taste is the salty. It is smell. The smell is just like yeast. It is the help in the metabolism carbohydrate. It maintains the health of liver, kidney, intestine, stomach, brain, and etc. It is also mentions the health and the efficiency of the nervous. It also maintains the health and the efficiency of the nervous and muscles. It helps in the assimilation of our body. Okay. Deficiency of vitamin B cause nervous ailments such as the skin disease, headache, lack of concentration, sleeplessness, loss of the appetite, intestine, lower heartbeat, and also retardations of the muscle efficiency due to the accurate storage of the vitamin B1, and individual may fall prey to be very disease. It is a deficiency may cause of constipations, irritations, and the anger. Development of the stock, there is any storage of vitamin B1. Number 2, vitamin B2 or riboflavin. The vitamin is the yellowish color. It is usually destroy sunlight, and also if the food is cooked for the longer time, it is the help of the preventing and maintaining the characteristics of your youth, tightness of the smoothness of skin, activity healthy of the body tissues. And next is the vitamin B3 of the niacin. The vitamin help in the growth of the body. These deficiency of these vitamin cause gray and hair. Number 4, in the water soluble vitamin, vitamin 5 of the panthenolic acid. The deficiency of the vitamin cause paralysis disease. These vitamin also help in the maintaining the body weight of the individual. Number 5, vitamin B6. Vitamin B6, the vitamin is vital of the formation of hemoglobin. It is also keep the skin healthy. And number 4 is the vitamin B12. Its the color is the red. This vitamin is usually destroy the food is cooked for a longer time. It is a deficiency may cause anemia. Number 6, 7, vitamin B9 is the folic acid. It is the tasteless, odorless, colorless, and the yellow in the color. Simple cooking and the destroy this vitamin. It is very essential of the reproduction, growth and development of body. This vitamin is helpful in the blood formation. The deficiency of the folic acid may cause loss of the leukocytes. Number 8, vitamin B7. It is the chemical name is the biotin. It is the deficiency may lead to the impaired growth, depression, muscle strain, etc. Vitamin C. The vitamin is also known as the aromatic acid. It is a water-soluble vitamin. It is a white crystalline substance. Vitamin C help in the healing the wound. It is the increased metabolism rate and the helpful in the absorbing calcium. It is also a highly effective antioxidant. Today my revision topic is the micronutrient and macronutrients. So macronutrients complete before 1-2 days, and micronutrient is a today topic. In the micronutrients, in the micronutrient, 2 type of the nutrients, the minerals and vitamins. And in the minerals, macrominerals and microminerals. Macrominerals is the calcium, potassium, sodium, magnesium, phosphorus. Micromineral iodine, iron, chromium, copper, cobalt. And vitamins. Vitamin is the 2 type. Water soluble vitamins and the fat soluble vitamin. Fat soluble vitamin is the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. And water soluble in the vitamin B complex and vitamin C. In the vitamin B complex, vitamin B1 thiamine, vitamin B2 riboflavin, vitamin B3 niacin, vitamin B5 panthenolic acid, vitamin B6, vitamin B12, vitamin B9 folic acid, vitamin B7 is a biotin, and vitamin C is the 2. The 2 type is the vitamin B and vitamin C in the water soluble vitamin. So today my topic is complete, and this is a revision video. So thank you very much. And in the unit exam, two chapter is come. Number 1 is sports and planning, and number 2 is sports and nutrition. In sports and nutrition, I read this chapter and revise the chapter in the three topics. So very important for the unit exam, sports and nutrition. And first topic, sports and planning, is very important. So thank you very much and best of luck for exam. Thank you very much.